Hello guys, welcome to another video. Today we are going to solve another question that is sort an array of zeros, ones and twos without any sorting algorithm. So let's see the question. So here we are given an array that only contains zeros and ones and twos, sorry. So it will be like this: 0, 1, 2, 2, 0, 0, 1. So this is the array and you need to sort it out. So the what will be the answer here is 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 2. This will be your answer. So what we need to do here is, without any sorting algorithms, the brute force approach that we can take is we are gonna count the number of zeros, ones and twos. So we can create a counter for 0. We are create a counter of 1. We are gonna create a counter for 2. So basically we are gonna scan this array. Is this 0? Yes. We are gonna increase the counter. Initially it will be 0, 0 and 0. So it will become 1. Here it is 1. So we are gonna increase 1. It is 2. We are gonna increase 2. It is 2. We are gonna increase 2 again. I wrote 2. That's why I have created 1 and then that. We are gonna increase 0 again. We are gonna increase 0 again. We are gonna increase 1 again. So finally we have the count of all the numbers. Now in the array from starting we are gonna put these numbers. 3 times we are gonna put 0, 0, 0, 0. 2 times we are gonna put 1, 1, 1. And 2 times we are gonna put 2, 2 and 2. You can see this is the array that we get. So this is the brute force approach. Here the time complexity is big O of n and the space complexity is big O of 1. There is another solution that is called optimal solution. Basically both the solutions cover this in big O of n and big O of 1, time complexities and space complexities. Now the second approach that I am going to show you is that I personally use. So take a look at this. We create 3 pointers. Here we assign a pointer high. Here we assign 2 pointers. One is low and another is mid. So these are the 3 pointers that we create. Now we need to follow 3 rules. If mid is equal to 0, then what we are going to do is swap mid with low and do mid plus plus and low plus plus. Second rule is if mid equal to 1, then what we need to do is simply move on mid plus plus. And the third rule says if mid is equal to 2, what we need to do is swap mid with high and do high minus minus. Let's see with an example here. So what we have here is mid, here is 0. So we are going to follow this approach. The mid is swapped with 0. So both are the same, both are at the same places. So it will be 0 only. And after that we are going to do a mid plus plus and low plus plus. So both the pointers come here. low will be here, mid will also be here. Okay, after that mid is 1. Now the second option says we have to do a mid plus plus, then mid comes here. Now mid is 2, then this condition satisfy, and the condition says replace mid with high. So this will be replaced with this, that is 1 will come here. Now we need to do high minus minus, so high will come here. Now mid is again 2. Now we need to no, sorry, mid is 1, so we are going to do mid plus plus. Mid will come here. Mid is 2 now, so what we are going to do is replace it with high. It will become 0, it will become 2, and high will come here. Now we can see mid is 0, and when mid is 0 we are gonna replace it with low. So low is here, this will become 0, this will become 1, and low will come here, mid will come here. Again mid will be 0, this will again swap out with this. This is messy here, let's just erase some things out. So this is the condition here. So now mid is again 0, then we need to swap this out, so it will become 0 and it will become 1, and this will become low will come here and mid will come here. Now the next condition is we need to stop when mid crosses high, meaning we need to check only where mid is less than equal to high. Till here we need to check. This is the while condition loops, because after this there is no possibility of changing anything. Array is already sorted. You can see 3 zeros, 2 1's, and 2 2's. Now let's see the code in action. Here we have the question sort colors. This is the same question, don't worry about it. Here we are given 0, 1 and 2's where you have to sort. Just they have given the name to the 0's, 1's and 2's, that is red color, blue color and white color. You have to sort on them in place manner. So basically you just follow the approach. So what was the approach? That you need to create 3 pointers, that is medium, high and low. So let's create these 3 pointers. It will be medium, okay, low, that will start from 0, another medium that will also start from 0, and that will last will be high, that will start from the last, that is from length minus 1. So these are the 3 pointers that we need. Next we need to create a while loop for the condition that we have, that is mid. We need to check till mid is less than equal to high. That was the condition that I have told you about. Now we need to check if mid is 0, 1 or 2. What we need to do here is if nums of mid equal to 0, then we will be doing something. Else if nums of mid is equal to 1, then also we will have to do something. Otherwise it will be 2. We already know that these are the 3 conditions that will be satisfied. Now if mid was equal to 0, then I already have told you we need to swap. So what we can do is swap nums with low, and mid will be swapped, and after swapping we need to do low plus plus and mid plus plus, as if mid was equal to 1. I already told you we need to just keep on going by doing mid plus plus. Okay, else meaning mid is 2. What we need to do is swap the values of mid and high. We will be swapping high and mid. After swapping these values out, we need to do is high minus minus. Why not do a mid plus plus? Because the swap value from the high can be anything. We need to check that one. That's why. After all this, we need to create swap function. That will be taking our integer array and the swap positions. Swapping is simple. We are going to take a temporary variable which will be holding one of the values of nums I. After that, we are going to swap the value of nums I in j, meaning we are going to put the nums j value in nums I. And after that, we are going to put the temporary variable that we have hold in j. This is the only code that we require. Let's just run and see if we are wrong or correct. Okay, compilation error. Okay. Okay, we have misspelled this. Okay, the code is compiled and the output is correct. Now we need to submit it and check. The code is correct, so it is passed with flying colors. So let's meet in the next video.